Here is how to create a channel on Telegram. Open Telegram app. Click on this pencil icon at the bottom. Click new channel. Now add your channel name. Now you can also add a description so your channel can easily be found among people. Now click the stick icon at the top. And now your channel is being created. Now you can set it to a public channel which people can see outside, or a private channel which only you and your friends can see when you invite them to join a link. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make it a public channel, and you can make a link right here. You can make a link so you can send it if you want to make a private account, or you want to send it to someone to visit your channel. Now click this tick icon at the top right hand, and now your channel is created. You can add your friends to your channel. So first, let me add one person to my channel, and then click this moving icon, and now your channel is created. You can type in hi, and people can comment and see it. So that's it. Please subscribe if this helped you.